So, do you think these classes have helped you to feel healthier in any way?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
A lot of good information, which I don't know. Didn't know.
Okay. So how do you feel healthier?
And she taught me about something low cholesterol or no cholesterol food or healthy ingredients.
Yeah. Okay. And would you recommend the NHS to fund these classes?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah? Why?
Especially a lot of people suffer from diabetes or overweight. A lot of people, so so the people need about any cause of the problem for even the heart or they need to starting from healthy diet before take the medicine or something.
Yeah. So these cooking classes have helped you feel healthier and is there anything else that it's helped you with?
Healthier, and I think also it's good for communication to other people. Good for mentally.
Yeah. So you think it's a really nice community and
that's right. Yeah.
Okay.
So it could be both for people who something have a worry about ill or overweight or not diet. Those people, and also someone who wanted to communicate with the people. It's to benefit for us.
Yeah, that's really good. Okay, thank you.
That's it.